Your home is prepped, your closets are decluttered, and your rooms are staged. Now it's time for showings. In preparation for your first open house or your first showing, here are some helpful tips to ensure your home is being presented in the best light. Prior to exiting your home, please do the following: open the blinds and the window treatments, turn on the lights, and while you're at it, make sure all the light bulbs are working and consistent in the wattage and color. Refrain from running any of your major appliances, such as dishwashers, washers, and dryers. Take out the garbage, wipe down the mirrors, counters, glass shower doors, and sweep the floors. Stage the home the same way you did on the day of the photo shoot, and then right as you're exiting, do a once over of the exterior of the property and pick up any trash or debris. If it has recently snowed, make sure there is a clear pathway inside of the home and to access any outdoor decks or garages. A couple helpful tips to ensure your security. Though myself or a member of my team will be in attendance at all showings and open houses, our eyes cannot be everywhere at all times. My advice is to remove any valuables from the home while you have it on the market. This includes jewelry, watches, passports, small electronics, prescriptions, firearms, or tax documents. Also, remove those designer shoes and purses. I don't anticipate any shady characters coming into your home, but I'd rather be safe than sorry when dealing with your most important assets. Congratulations on getting this far, and I look forward to a successful showing soon.